Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add background song on Snapchat. If you're using Snapchat and you want to add background song on Snapchat, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your Snapchat app, and here you have to try to record a video or a snap. So let's say I'm going to select to record a video here. So once you have done, just release that, and from here you just have to tap on this song option here, or you can use this music option to add music to your Snapchat video or snap. So let's say I'm going to select this one. Once you have selected, it will be automatically set it up on your snap. So in this way you can easily add background song on Snapchat. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.